Today I'm making barbecue sausage with beans and mashed potatoes. Cut up your smoked sausage. I cut up into small pieces. I'm using jalapeno and cheddar. Starting with smoked sausage. This is my favorite sausage. I'm going to spray some vegetable oil onto a pan, add the sausage. Make sure to face it up. I'm going to turn the heat to medium heat. Wait until it's nice and golden brown like this. And now I'm going to flip it on the other side till it's nice and golden brown. Look at that. Oh, it flipped on its own. That's funny. Then I'm going to take it off the heat. Just cover it so we can cook inside a little bit. Now I'm going to cook my beans. I'm cooking ranch style beans just on a pot. And I'm going to uncover the pan, add some mesquite seasoning. And I'm going to add some barbecue sauce. Mix it around. I place my pan back on the burner. Cook it on low heat. It's nice and glazed, looking good. Cover it, uncover it, and add some more barbecue sauce. And then cook on low for a few minutes to get nice and warmed up. Leftover mashed potatoes. And here on my plate, I got beans, sausage, mashed potatoes with sour cream. Mashed potato sour cream is so good. The beans are also good. Sausage, delicious. Like how it caramelized with the barbecue sauce. This meal is super good, easy, and delicious. And I would give us probably a 9 out of 10. Mashed potato tastes a little bit fake to me, but overall, very good. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below on what I should make next.